Gale Resources is one of the research databases available to students through the Clemens Library. This short tutorial will walk students through using Gale Resources to locate valuable information and provide helpful tips and tools to maximize the research experience. The Clemens Library and virtual library web pages contain many research resources, including Gale. From the research web page, students can quickly locate and access Gale Resources. All required information is provided, including a direct link and user password. The first time you access Gale on a computer, you will be asked to enter the password. The password is schools, SCHOOLS. Gale is a database that contains reliable, accurate information on a variety of topics including business, history, science, sports, health, and religion. With over 1,000 unique topics, Gale is a great place to begin the search process, whether you are looking for a current event article, completing a project, or writing a research paper. In addition to browsing the listed topics, you can also perform a keyword search. For the purpose of this example, my assignment is to locate a current event article relating to exercise, so I'm going to use exercise as my search term. One of the benefits of using the Gale database is that it contains results from many different content types, such as academic journals, magazines, news reports, essays, reference books, audio clips, and videos. You can select to view results from one specific content type, or you can scroll down the results page to see the top suggestions from each category. Since I need to find a current event article related to exercise, I'm going to click on Magazines to narrow my search results. There are over 42,000 magazine articles related to exercise. It is important to carefully review the article title, publication date, preview, to make sure it will be appropriate for your assignment. The article titled Virtual Exercise should be perfect for my current event assignment, so I'm going to click on the article title to select it. Under the resource title is where you will find basic information about the source, including the date of publication, publisher, length, and content level. There are also tools available to make viewing the article easier by changing the font size and language, or you can also select to have the text read to you. Another benefit of using Gale is the ability to share results. You can easily send resources directly to your Google Drive where they will be automatically saved and organized. Other options include downloading a PDF of the entire article, including the citation, or printing the article. The tools to share and save results can be found above the article text or in the toolbar at the top of the page. One of the most significant benefits of using Gale databases is the inclusion of reference citations. When completing research, it is required that all sources be properly cited. The citation tools provided for all results in Gale make this very easy. Citations can be copied and pasted or exported to other sites, including your Google Drive. For some students, the ability to add highlights and make notes directly on the article will be helpful, especially for long articles or large research projects. Notes can be color coordinated and accessed later using the Highlights and Notes button that can be found on the top toolbar. In addition to the article itself, Gale also provides a list of related articles and subjects that could be used to continue research or to refine a research topic. After gathering the required information, click on Results to return back to the Results page. From here, you can select another resource, search using another keyword, or exit Gale if you have completed the assignment. Having resources and citations sent directly to your Google Drive is one of the major advantages of using Gale. If you click to have articles or citations sent to Drive, it will create a folder under My Drive titled Gale in Context High School. Inside this folder is where you can find your results. The full text of the article I selected, Virtual Exercise, has been saved. The formatted citation for the article has also been saved and is ready to be added to my Works Cited page. These documents will remain in my drive and will be available for me to easily access whenever needed in the future. Gale Resources is just one of the many resources the library has available for research, but it is one of the best. Reliable and accurate results, tools for sharing and saving, and reference citations are just a few of the benefits Gale offers. Gale Resources can be accessed anytime, anywhere, via the Clemens Library and Virtual Library webpages.